The Armed Forces of the Philippines today presented more firearms recovered during the ongoing operations against the Islamic State-linked Maute group in Marawi City. The recovered firearms and equipments include sniper rifles, a drone, radio sets, and a weighing scale allegedly intended for drug use. With the recent development, the total number of recovered firearms by the military from the Islamist rebels already reached 410.
Our government forces were able to disrupt the enemy, at the same time degrade their capability. And these are all powerful weapons.
Since May 23, the fighting in Marawi City has already reached 6 weeks. The government is optimistic that the crisis will be over soon as the rebels are losing several previously held positions. Meanwhile, latest military data showed that 336 militants were killed in the ongoing operations in Marawi, while security forces lost 82 of their comrades. Victor Cosare, UNTV News and Rescue, Philippines.